Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you will be speaking Mandarin just like a native. Over the last 2 weeks, my student Emma has learned potential complement and directional complement. In today's lesson, we will be looking at potential complements with directional words 上, 下, and 起. We learned from previous video, potential complement is formed with verb plus de plus a resultative complement, suggesting the verb is able to achieve the result of the action. Let's look at some sentences. 他看得上这份工作吗？这车坐得下5个人吗？小王买不起新房。Do you know the meanings of these 3 sentences? 她看得上这份工作吗 means that she thinks the job is good enough for her. 这车坐得下5个人吗 This one means, can 5 people fit in this car, or can this car take 5 people? 小王买不起新房 This one means, 小王 cannot afford a new house. You are probably like, what? I understand.If we dig a bit deeper, they might start to make a bit of sense to you. Let's start with the easier one. 这车坐得下5个人吗？下 on its own means to go down, so literally it's like 5 people go down in the car. Hence, can 5 people fit in this car? 小王买不起新房。起 on its own means to raise.买不起 to buy but unable to raise something, so it means to not be able to afford. 他看得上这份工作吗？上 on its own means to go up. Here 看得上 means think something is good enough. I know we probably never can get the meaning from literal translation.Now let's go through a few more sentences. The dish is too spicy. I can't eat it. 这菜太辣了，我吃不下。Gradually, you will notice 下 normally uses in sentences like shoes don't fit, can't eat or drink, etc. as food or drink goes down. He is just a poor teacher.And can't afford such an expensive car. 他只是一个穷老师，买不起这么贵的车。If you don't study well, now you won't be good enough to go to university in the future. 要是你现在不好好学习，以后就考不上大学。I hope this video is making sense to you. In my online course, I have exercises, readings, and vocab building on potential complement. If you would like to know more about my course, please send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.